When water invades a commercial space, it doesn't knock first. At Tidalmax, the basement had become a liability, wet and unusable. This wasn't just an inconvenience, this was a full shutdown of valuable square footage. The source? A silent force known as hydrostatic pressure. Hydrostatic pressure builds as groundwater accumulates around a structure. With nowhere to go, it forces water through wall cracks and floor joints, flooding the space from the inside out. To combat this, we implemented one of the most effective defenses: strategically placed weep holes at the wall's base. These relieve pressure and guide the water to where it belongs, an interior drainage system. Our team installed our two-stage basement waterproofing system, engineered to fight back against the very forces trying to breach it. Today, the basement is back, dry, functional, and worry-free. It went from this to this. Now, Tidalmax's basement is dry, protected, and fully operational. Their business is back on solid ground, literally. Redeemers Group, providing permanent solutions so business can get back to business.